Okay, here we are on the 8th of May 2012, and we're trading early range breakouts, and it was quite a fantastic day, a really good day. So we're just going to take a look at the market sentiment, and okay, here we have the market sentiment. So the EU, Greece leader clarifies the party intends to stick to their pre-election pledges regarding not seeking further austerity measures. Seeking a coalition of leftist parties, the Greek bailout pledges are null and void following the vote, would not support a government that is pro-austerity, would agree to a coalition government with New Democracy and passive parties only on the coalition condition that they are back out of pledges to the EU and the IMF. Discloses intent to redistribute tax burden and build growth plans. Reiterates would not join the Party for National Salvation in efforts to receive a bailout loan. May seek to take control of the bank. Seeks international commission to investigate legality of the Greece debt. Renews calls for debt moratorium. What does it mean? It means that the market was right and precisely why the EU and the IMF took so long to approve the second bailout for Greece. Now that Greece's political instability could eventually lead to withdrawal of the EU, I believe that traders will sell euro-US dollar down to the 1.265 level for the very least, unless the new government dials down a few notches. In the meantime, it is open season to sell and rally. By Henry Liu. After that type of news, this is what happened to the market. As you can see, the market sold off from the open and sold off all the way for the first hour and a half. A very strong sell-off, which is absolutely fantastic for us because we were short the whole time. Okay, let's run through some of the trades we did today. So, first of all, AIG. Short after a break of the opening range. We were short at 31.33, which is just about this area over here. Okay, entered around there and exited after around 31.55 as the share came back and broke through the 10 period moving average. Okay, this trade, BP, short at 69.14 and exited at break even 69.14 with a break even trade. Next trade, CCL, Carnival Corp, short at 31.40, which was roughly about this area over here. Okay, close at 31.49, so 31.40, close at 31.49, also around there, for a loss of 9 cents. So you're probably asking how come I took a short so late? Because I'd already traded 2 or 3 different stocks at that point, and these were some of the stocks I took later on in the day, and at that time it sort of reversed, and so a lot of these trades turned into small losses. But anyway, here goes to the next trade. This was CLMT, and entered short at 24.30. around this area and close at 24.30, so probably around here for break-even trade. Next trade was DB, Deutsche Bank, short at 39.94, sorry, short around this area, and closed at 39.98 on the break of this 10 period moving average for a loss of 4 cents. Next trade was DNDN and short at 9.04, roughly around this area over here, and closed at 9.07 for a break-even trade. Obviously less commissions, probably around -9 cents. Okay, moving on to the trade of the day. This was a big trade. I entered at 86.85, which was a fantastic entry. Caught it just at the right time. You only can get so many of these. And exited at 79.50, so 79.50 around here. I could have got a bit more out of it, but to tell you the truth, I was so happy with the $6 or so that I had out of it. I was just really happy to close and bank my profits. So I can actually close with a profit of 740 cents. Just showing you that all you can have 10 losers and you just need one winner to absolutely blow your account, to actually, really give your account a good filling up. Okay, GFI entered at 12.39, so entered right over here just before it reversed, and exited at 12.54 on the break of the 10 period moving average with a loss of 15 cents. Cause entered at 40.94, 40.94 around this area over here, and closed again at 40.94 at break even. Okay, MCD, a bit naughty on this one. I entered it before a break of the opening range and entered at 93.88, which was, I saw it come down here, just following 10 period moving average. I thought quite confident, and of course it bounced right off the opening range, proving me that I need to follow my rules, and closed at 93.88, again at the same area for a break-even trade. Okay, the next trade was MT, ArcelorMittal, entered at 16.03, around this area over here, and closed at 16.03 as well for another break-even trade. Okay, another trade that I missed out on, entered late. There's only so many trades you can take at the same time. Entered at 67.33, quite late on in the drop of shares, and closed again at 67.33 for another break-even trade. Hope this is really showing to you how important it is to move your stop loss to break even. Have a good stop loss strategy so you don't let these winning trades turn into losers. At least they come in and break even, or slight win or slight loss. So Rio entered at 50.05, roughly around this area over here, and closed at 50.16, also roughly around this area over here, for a loss of 11 cents. Okay, Sync, SYNC, short at 11.21, roughly around this area, and closed at 11.29, okay, with a loss of -8 cents. Okay, here we go on TOTS, Total SA ADS, and that's entry at 45.60, around here, okay, and close at 45.30. Wow, a winner at last with a profit of 38 cents. Okay, second last trade, TSO with at 21.06 and closed at 21.06 with another break-even trade. Last trade of the day was Win Resorts, entered at 116.93, very late entry, as you can see right down here. Exited at 117.93, so actually got stopped out. Should really not have entered after such a massive rundown. Should have waited for a pullback and seen some bounce off the moving average and waited for a break of that level, which would have been a better entry. But anyway, that's the way it goes, and loss of $1, 100 cents. Okay, so the results for the day. AIG, loss of 22. BHP, break even, 0 cents. CCL, loss 9 cents. CLMT, break even, 0. BB, loss 4 cents. DND, loss 9 cents. FOSL, profit 740 cents. This was the trade of the day. GFI, loss of 15 cents. Cause, break even. MT, break even. RDSA, break even. Rio, loss of 11 cents. Sync, loss of 8 cents. Okay, total profit of 38 cents. TSO, break even. And win, a loss of 100 cents. Results for the day: 16 trades. Only two out of 16 trades profitable. 7 expenses and 6 break even. How amazing is this? Only 2 trades were profitable. And this shows you how amazing trading really is. Is that the total profit on the day was 608 cents. Trading 1,000 shares, that is $6,000. Or trading £10 per point, £6,000. For exactly 3 hours of work. Once you've learned this system, that is the possibility. If you've got a nice big account, okay, so in order to trade 1,000 shares you need a big account, so you're looking at maybe 50,000 account. But once you get to that level, $6,000 a day is a possibility. Not out of the ordinary.